Bonjour and welcome to Easy French Cooking. Would you like to learn how to make crepes? I'm Victor and today we are going to prepare some delicious crepes. Yes, French pancakes. So this is what we are aiming for today. The crepes originate from the beautiful region of Brittany, and that's where you need to go to eat the best crepe in the world. In France, we eat crepes for the Chandeleur or Candlemass, the Feast of Candles, which is 40 days after Christmas, so on the 2nd of February every year. And of course, we eat crepes again for Mardi Gras or Shrove Tuesday, which is the day before Ash Wednesday, so the last bit of fun before Lent. Well, actually, we tend to eat them all year round anyway, and why not? So are you ready for the crepe? Let's go! Okay, ingredients. All you need for this recipe for 4 people is 250 grams of plain flour, 500 milliliters of milk, 4 eggs, butter, we will use 60 grams of it, a lemon for the zest, 50 milliliters of rum, sunflower oil, we will just use 10 milliliters of it, and a pinch of salt. So that's it for the mixture. Then you can have your crepe with sugar, jam, honey, melted chocolate, bananas, your choice. That's all you need to prepare this classic dessert, simple, easy, and delicious. Now the gear. Only basic utensils are needed here. A frying pan, preferably a small flat one, a small saucepan, a ladle, a wooden spoon, a measuring glass, a spatula, a sharp knife, a butter knife, a mixing bowl, a sieve, a whisk, scales, and some kitchen roll. Of course, you can use an electric mixer, but I like to keep it simple and do it by hand. I use mechanical scales, but you can use digital ones too, of course. And if you need some good quality kitchen gear, click on the link in the description below and you will find all you need. Melt the butter in the saucepan. You can also melt it in a microwave in a bowl if you wish. In the mixing bowl, add the flour through the sieve. It's nice and smooth. Add the melted butter, then add the eggs. A little bit of salt and whisk while you are progressively adding milk. When the mixture is smooth, add the rum and the lemon zest for extra flavor. Give it another stir and let it set for 30 minutes. If you think it's not smooth enough, don't panic, you can always pour it into another bowl through a sieve and then it will be perfect. Spread some oil in the pan with a kitchen roll. When hot, use the ladle to put the mixture in. With your spatula, Just make sure that your crepe doesn't stick to the pan. And then the fun bit, now we are going to flip the crepe. Et hop! Et voilà! Of course, you don't have to flip the crepe like that, and you can use a spatula instead. But come on, that is the moment everybody is waiting for. So now leave it for another minute. Let's check it out. Hey! Hey hop! Hey hop! Hey hop! You get used to it. And voila! A delicious crepe. Add sugar and lemon juice. That's my personal favorite. You can roll or you can fold as you prefer. Let's fold this one. Here is another one with jam. And here is another one with chocolate paste and banana. Oh, yes, you can do what you like with crepe. It's always good. Oh well, let's enjoy this now. Oh my god. Guys, this is awesome. I'm getting some more. Oh great, this is so good. Bon appetit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will start training for some crepe flipping straight away. Please click on the like button and let me know in the comments how many crepes you actually stick to the ceiling or drop on your mother-in-law before you master the flipping technique. So to keep up to date with new recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Easy French Cooking, it's free. Check out my other videos. Keep on cooking, have fun. À bientôt.